Hey guys, it's Mel V, your boss bestie, and today I'm going for a nice daytime look. It's Mardi Gras season, so you know your girl gotta like show a little pizzazz. Well, I'm not really gonna show too much pizzazz. I'm not really like the Mardi Gras person. Like, I just go for the parades and everything else. But we're gonna do something very daytime, very cute, very demure. I'm wearing this jean halter along with this, you know, giving no limit soldier. Let's get into some things and some girl talk.
Let's take this overboard now.
So guys, as you know, I like to prime my face first. I like to get into some things by setting my face. I'm going in with my Super Lock Brows primer because it really do lock it in. Like, shout out to my best friend for putting me on this because it's really been like locking in my brows. Like, for real. Like, I love that for me. Like, it's no smearing, none of that extra shit. So I like to like let it, you know, dry off, and then I'm gonna go in. But now, a new way of things I like to do is just like start like putting on my foundation, only because, well, there's no particular reason. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beauty Balm. I'm gonna do 13. I moved my makeup space. As you know, before it was in my closet. Right now I'm using my guest room because I love the sunlight, and I feel like I need that sunlight because I need to know how my makeup is gonna look in the sun. You know, when I was in my closet, it was cool. Like, my makeup was still coming on fleek. It was still coming and giving, but something about me being next to the sun that I love so much. So, and with makeup, you just gotta do it. Like, honestly, you're gonna have your days where you look crazy. You're gonna have days where you actually do the damn thing, and it's just a matter of just practicing. In the top just a little bit. Yep. And then you're gonna take the same beauty blender that you use for your foundation and just blend that away. Blend that away, honey. Blend, honey, till you can't blend no more. You want to take your fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go all around the base. That's pretty much going to be the set. It's going to be the starting point of everything. And because I have brown, I think I'm gonna do like a nice little brown look. I like to go in with cocoa. I like to start from the bottom and then start out top. Some people like to go with that little swirl. Me, I don't even need to do that. I just pat my way up, and then it blends itself. And I'm gonna take the darkest shade that I have, and then I just like to go in with the middle. I hope it's looking right. I'm gonna hit the other side, y'all. I'm gonna keep on blending. You guys want to make sure that you go light. We're gonna take our concealer and just do a little cut crease. Now, see, it wasn't even my intention to do a cut crease today, but I think I'm gonna just get with the vibes. We're gonna let that dry. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our brown, we're gonna go back to cocoa, the lightest brown of it all, and then we're just gonna like blend in, we're just gonna let it go in, like, you know what I'm saying? You want to go very light, guys, very fucking light. I'm gonna go in with my liquid brush and I'm gonna tum. Okay, I'm gonna blend. I like to go a little bit above my eyebrow a little bit. We'll take my banana powder. This shit is like damn near finished. Like, this is so bad. Okay guys, so while I'm baking, let's get into some girl talk. Let's talk about the let him method. What is a let him method, bitch? How many of you guys been on a date where the guy asks you, so what do you look for in a man? What do you look for in a man? What do you look for in a man? What's your type? And you know, you tell them these things like, no, I love a man that does this. I love a man that, you know, opens doors for me. I love a man that ooh. Oh God. Okay. But you tell him those things, right? And shortly after, like maybe like 2 months, maybe even 2 weeks later, he stops acting on those things. That's because that wasn't him. That was him trying to make him look like a potential partner. Sometimes it's not because you gave him the cheeks. Sometimes it's not because, you know, he just out there doing him. No, it's just simply because that just wasn't him. That's just not him, right? So the let him method is pretty much you giving him room to just let him be. Let him be who he is. Then that'll give you the option whether you want to deal with him or not. If he asks you, what do you look for in a man? I would simply say, I just want to see who you are, and that'll determine if you're my type or not. You don't sound arrogant. You don't sound like a bitch. You're just like literally just being honest. And you don't want to waste your time. And guess what? He don't have to fake shit. So everybody wins. And I think that method is beautiful because a lot of times women date these men that switch up on them only because surely after one, they gave them the cheeks, or two, they're not being them and you can't fake it for so long. The let him method, if you are dating, try it. You know, let's see how it is. Like, I want to hear about it. I want to hear about it, if it even works. I'm not dating, but I think that's a fascinating ass method. Everybody wins. Anyway, that's a whole different type of conversation. We are done baking, so we are going to see how it go. I'm going to pat with my brush. I'm not going to blend it out or anything. I'm just going to pat. I'm going to use a foundation powder that matches my skin tone. Pat, 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 pat. We are not blending, guys. We are patting. We are patting away. Yeah, see that? So bam, shakalaka. I'm gonna do my eyelashes a little. I'm gonna do it off camera because I think when I do my lashes, it's gonna be a separate video, especially for the girls that love clusters, because that's been my thing now. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that in a separate video, but for now I'm just gonna finish up, do my glow. I'm gonna do something like this. A glow should just be like a little you know, like it should be like a little ding ding ding. Yeah, see that? Get it around the brow. Get it around the brow. Okay, yeah. Yeah, way better. Oh my God. Okay, so that is done, guys. The face is beaded. I'm gonna put my lipstick and my lashes off camera and we'll be back. So guys, this is the finishing look. Y'all already know I'm not going out like this. I gotta throw on my, you know, pizzazz, my jewelry and stuff like that. So I just want to come on here real quick to show you guys my look. I went in with my Ace Beauty lip liner in the color So Gorgeous and my NYK lipstick. This is lingerie. So yeah guys, this is it. This is the color. I'll catch you guys on my next video. If you guys want to see more videos of cooking, girl talk, money talk, subscribe, like, share on my channel. And yeah, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.